Did you know you can add forms in Excel, allowing you to add, delete records, search for records, and navigate through specific records in Microsoft Excel? Before I continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So I've got a list of data here showing the name, email address, and country of people. Now, just as a bit of a disclaimer, this information here is just dummy data. It's not real information, so I don't want to break any GDPR laws or anything like that. It's just for the purpose of this video. Let me just zoom in, and I'm going to show you a neat trick where you can add a form, allowing you to add, delete form data using a form in Excel. So there's a few steps you need to follow in order to do this. Now, the first thing is converting this information here so it's showing in a table. So you highlight the first cell of that list of data there. Then at the top, go to Home, scroll across to Styles. Within Styles, you will see an option which says Format as Table. Click on that, choose the first one, and what it will do, it will come up with this pop-up box here, selecting the range of the list of data automatically, asking you, is this the range of data you want to be included or converted into a table? Before you click on OK, because I've added column headers, I want to say actually my table has headers, so I want to check that box there and just simply click OK. What it will do, it will convert the information in your spreadsheet into a table format. So it will also add filters, so you can filter the information there, which is quite good, and you can do it by country as well there as well. So to change the style of that table, you need to select the data within the table like this. Go back to table styles here, and I'm going to simply choose the first option, so it goes like this. The filter is still showing, but the actual borders are not showing there. So that's the way I like my information to be displayed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the form, so giving the user an opportunity to add the data using a form in Excel. So this is what you do. Now, as a default, Excel doesn't include the form within the ribbon. You need to add this in manually. This is what you do. At the top, where you've got the green bar here, go here. So where you've got the customize access toolbar option here, click on that, scroll down in the pop-up, go to more commands here. It will open up this pop-up here, the Excel options. On the left side, where it's asking you to choose commands from, click on the down arrow here, and then the form option is either in commands not in the ribbon or all commands. I'm going to choose all commands for the sake of this video. Click on all commands. It's going to load all the commands within Excel. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says forms, and it should find forms. There we have it there, forms. Now what I'm going to do is add the form so it's a part of my toolbar. So click on forms, and then when I'm happy with it, form has been added, click on OK. Now what you see, if you go back to the top, on the left of the arrow where you just clicked, you can see the form option has been added. So that's a simple thing like that. So when you want to add a new record, make sure that the actual table is highlighted, the content in the table is highlighted like that. Click on the form, and it's opened up a simple form where you can add more information. So if I want to add a new record, click on new, add RA solutions. It would help if I could type. Add my email address, add my country, and once you're happy, just click on enter, and it will add that specific piece of information. If I close the form down or leave it open, you can scroll down. No, close the form down, scroll down to the bottom, you can see my email address has been added there. Sorry, not just the email address, all the information has been added at the bottom. So let's click on the form. Let me click off the table and then go to the form option here. It will come up with this error message here saying that you need to select the contents within that table first before I can click on form for it to open up the form. So click on form, it's opened up the form again. And what you can do also, you can see a scroll bar here. You can go down, you can scroll all the records, and I know there's 101 records in total. I can do that. I can add a new record, I could delete a specific record, I can find the previous record, find the next record, and you can also search for specific records. So if in criteria, if I click on criteria, let's say I want to search for England. I know RA Solutions is in England. Click on enter. There we go. So it's brought back RA Solutions. So criteria allows you to search for a specific record based on the information you have in there. So you can clear the information, you can restore the information. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. But that's just a quick and easy video showing you how to add forms, just to make the data entry person's job that a bit easier, finding, searching records, adding data in that table, deleting data in the table as well there. So I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.